Hey, I'm going to show you how I increased my sales from around 30 sales a month to then 40, 50, 60, 80, and this month it's going to be even more. And as a comparison, we can see last year I had around 20 to 25 orders, except for Q4, but that's something different. Starting in March, I changed my strategy and now it's going pretty well. I tripled my sales in like 3 months or so. And I'm going to tell you the strategy and how I do it from finding the design to creating the design and also to uploading the design to Etsy. Okay, so the strategy is actually pretty simple. You want to keep uploading at least 2 listings a day. That's it. That's the strategy. It seems kind of stupid, but I don't know. It worked for me. We are going to keep uploading listings. And even though some of them might not sell very well, we will get more sales if we have more listings. And that's just the strategy. Okay, now you don't want to upload complete crap. You want to make sure that what you are selling is actually wanted. So if we go over to the marketplace insight sections inside Etsy, you can search 15 niches for free. So 15 search terms. And we compare the listings demand to the competition and then decide if we want to upload some listings there. If you have no idea what you should search for even, you can ask ChatGPT for some niche inspirations. Okay, ChatGPT said we should search for highly specific sports. So let's try disc golf and see what the data actually says. Okay, there are 4,000 searches and 10,000 search results. That's actually pretty good. Let's try also with shirt after the search term. Okay, we have, it's all right. We can then see the full search results. Now the problem here is you don't actually know if these listings are selling or not, which is why I'm using the Palotex extension, which I actually built myself, but you can use it for completely free. So there's no price. And with the extension, you can see the views, saves, the age of the listing, and also the estimated monthly sales. And we can see there are some nice ones here. We have some quite new ones here with a lot of views actually. If we would want to filter out low performing listings, then we can say that we want to view listings which have more than 200 views. Okay, and we can actually save the listings right here for later. Let's also save this one and let's do this one as well. All right, so we have 3 listings saved now. Let's go over to Palotex and view them again. For this, you will need to have a plan, but you can also try out the product for free for 7 days. And here are the listings we just saved. Let's view them on Etsy. Okay, now we kind of want to take inspiration from this listing. So let's copy this one, go into ChatGPT, and same for this listing, paste it in here, and then I have a special prompt, and this will give me basically the prompt for the listings, but in a different style. If you have that prompt, you can go into your AI image generation of your choice. I'm also going to use Palotex for that and hit generate. Okay, so the image has generated. Okay, the second image has also been generated. Okay, I just removed the background in Canva, and now we can upload the images to Palotex again. Again, you can use any tool you want, but this is just a tool that I'm using because I built it and I made it so that it works perfectly for me, and it might also work perfectly for you if you are going to follow my plan, but do whatever you want, of course. All right, we want to let AI generate the data for us, so it will generate the title, description, and tags for me. I have to do nothing. All right, we have the title, description, and tags. Now hit Printify upload. I'm just going to use the template. If you want to know how to set this up, you can watch some of my other videos or read the documentation. So I'm just going to select this, publish to Etsy automatically. We could schedule it for later if you, for example, upload 20 listings at once and want to schedule it for like 10 days or something, and then in the next 10 days you can just relax. Let's stay right here, upload to Printify, and wait. Okay, while making this video I actually got another sale, so it's working. Okay, the upload is complete. Now I want to create some mockups, so we are going to head over to the mockup studio. We instantly see our designs here we just uploaded, and these 5 designs are the ones I created myself, but you can upload your own mockups and configure the print areas. I'm going to select these 5 and it will now create 10 mockups, so 5 for each design. Generate, and then we're going to download everything. Okay, now we are going to upload these mockups to Etsy. Head over to the Etsy store page, sync the last 20, and we can see the new 2 listings right here. And now we are going to just upload the mockups right here. Okay, select the 2, and we want to delete the default Printify mockups because I personally don't like them. And also let's upload the size chart, which you probably have your own already. Okay, let's change the shop section. Okay, now this is optional, but I would recommend it, linking the images to the variations, so such that when the customer selects green, for example, it automatically shows the green image on Etsy. And also I just realized that the design is slightly white, so it will not work on the white design. so I'm going to delete the white design. Okay, yeah, now we are going to link the variations to the images as I said, and we are going to repeat this for the other one. And because we just deleted the white variant, we are also going to delete the white markup. Yeah, that's basically it. The 2 new listings are live, and this took half an hour maybe. So repeat this strategy, 2 listings a day. At least you can do more if you want, but at least 2, and then you will see more sales in your shop. Be patient. It will sometimes take some time. Like I upload some listings, but it won't sell at first, but it will sell after like 1.5 months or so. And once it gets 1 sale, it usually gets more because it will get boosted by the Etsy algorithm. If you want to also use Palo tags for the exact workflow, I will leave a link in the description, and I will also leave a link for the free Etsy extension to see the sales data, so completely for free. Hope this video helped.